welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. Today I'm going to show you, I'm working on my Days of Winter Junk Journal Challenge with prompts. We have 15 prompts, okay? And I want to show you another journal. Welcome to, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T Ideas. I want to welcome everybody to my channel. You're all welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss T Ideas. And if you've been rocking with me the whole time, I'm Miss T Ideas. And hey, you know you're welcome. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. This is my Days of Winter Junk Journal. And if some of y'all don't know, I made this with faux leather that I've made. I got a video of that. And I think the leather came out pretty. And I seam bind it. Got a little pin on it. Got my blue flowers. My colors, that's my colors. Okay. Well, got a little decoration on it. Got a little, I found these in my safety pin box where I keep my pins at. Icicle. Or snowflake. Snowflake. Okay, I had to put it's a chunky. It's a chunk, y'all. Chunky. And I had to put a little tie on it, but this is not the tie that's going to be on it when I'm through with it. But I had to kind of keep it together. It's a little chunky chunk. I'm going to show you what prompt next. This is my 15 prompts. And today, and I got to check them off because I don't, I'll make sure I don't go over them twice. Today, I want to show you prompt number 6. It calls for a shaken piece or a window element. That's the prompt I'm going to show you today. Yeah, I got some stuff in here. To say this is my first time making one on a prompt, on a challenge. It's my first time making one. And it's been fun. I mean, challenging. It's been fun. Okay, let's see. I have to show you number 6. I'm on number 6. Come on, Tanya. I've been so tired. I've been having people working in my house. Okay. Now, this is prompt number 6. Shaken piece or window element. I got the shaky right here. The shaky and the window right here. And I have a little journal inside for writing. I also have a pocket here. Got something stuck in the pocket. This is a card and a little dolly doll, whimsical lady in this pocket. I also have a little pocket here. So this is 1 and 2 pockets. 2 pockets right here. It didn't call for this, but it called for this. And what I did, I put some beautiful cape, I think they call it, some lace, applique, a piece of lace I have there. I put some silver ribbon around it, and this was an envelope. This was an envelope. I put a window on an envelope, and that's what they called for. Again, they called for a shaken piece or a window element. Let me see. I see my plastic kind of tore, so I ain't gonna be too rough with it. And I just put some little jewels and little trinkets up in here. I left the top open. See my finger? I left the top open. Push this in here for you to see. Let me see. I cut my finger and I gotta be careful. See? There it is. My little jewels are up in this corner. Shut up. Okay, hold on. My little shaker. You better try to move something. Stop acting like you can't shake. Don't do that. Don't be acting like you can't shake. Now, don't act up. You know, hey, this is my first time. Don't be acting up. Right. And I'm going to show you another one that I've done. I got to make sure I write this down that you've seen 6. Number 8. Mine is not in order. I'm not going to give them to you in order because I got to give them to you as I do them. Okay? And I didn't do up in order like that. And that's okay from what I can understand. I'm going to do prompt number 8, which is an envelope with journal card inside. Let's see. Is it journal card? Inside. Let's see, where is it? Okay. This is the envelope. This is prompt number 8. I covered this envelope with scrapbook paper. Matter of fact, this is some paper that I got in Happy Mail from one of the ladies of State Creative Circle. And she made this paper, and it is beautiful. She sent me some. Oh, I love it. I just love them. And I decorated these with this little snowflake here, and I put a piece of ephemera right there. And it's asking for a card. A card in the pocket. This is a journaling card. This is a card tag that you can also journal on. Let's put a sticker on there that says something. Yeah, this envelope here, I cut it so it wouldn't be so long. And this right here, this is a little notebook card. I just have some writing space in it. You know, we got a journal. So, put this back in here. I got a little cut on my finger that I'm babysitting. So I have my hands is. Isn't that cute? I thought that was so cute. And look, all of my colors match. How about that? How about it? Just how about that? Yeah, thank God, I've been working in my this journal here, and I have people working on some stuff in my bathroom, and you know how that could be. So I showed you prompt. I showed you the prompts. I showed you. I showed you the window shaking, and I showed you the pocket, the envelope with the pocket, the envelope with the card. There we go, the envelope with the card. So that was prompt 6, and the journal card. The journal card. Prompt 8, 6 and 8. This is my Days of Winter journal. And I showed you prompts 6 and 8. And we have 15 prompts. So I'll be back with another prompt. I'm still working on in this journal, of course. I still got prompts that I haven't done. And I just found this little piece of tie. What scissors that? I found this piece of tie. Oh, and I'm gonna have to make a tassel. That's what I'm gonna have to make. Let's see if I can get this. I got a cut right down my index finger. I'm gonna have to make a tassel, and I think I got something pretty for that tassel. It's not gonna be a big tassel. It's just gonna be a tassel. I am tired, y'all. I think the reason why I'm so tired is because, like I said, people working in my house, and I wake up each morning. I'm not an early bird. I go to bed late, and I wake up late. I'm still on my job pattern when I work. And to have something else going on in your house, you know, it just make you tired because, I mean, you really have to babysit these people. So, this is my journal, my Days of Winter journal. I'm really proud of it too. Well, I like the colors. I like it. Yeah. I'm going to end this video because that's it. That's all. Oh, I have been using for everybody that know me, I wasn't a hot glue stick user. I've been using glue stick. I keep this on my desk. I've been using glue stick. It is better to stick certain things with glue stick. Glue, hey, I'm sold on that. So, Miss T Ideas, thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me on this Days of Winter journal. And I'm just rattling on right now because I'm very tired. Thank you for being here. I enjoy each and every one of you, and I appreciate each and every one of you for being here, hanging out with me and seeing the stuff I'm doing. And you know what? You can do this too. You can do this too, I promise you. So, if you haven't seen the faux leather video I made, check it out. Miss T Ideas, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. It really helps the algorithm. I appreciate y'all so much, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye. I got crunk with that last piece, didn't I? Bye-bye, y'all.